love using this plum serum.
I'm gonna take one pump
and then just like rub it on the back of my hand, and then I just apply it directly on my skin.
Just pat it all over my face.
This wonderful serum has 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid.
I really love this serum because it has vegan collagen and peptides in it.
I like to layer a product because the hydration is more, the nourishment is more. I find that I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and vitamin C is amazing because the clarity of my skin is better.
Now I'm gonna apply the pink juice. This is really good to use after the plum serum because it helps keep my skin plump and dewy and moisturized.
It actually helps my skin to not be as oily.